Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mother tincture concentration and sourcing. Quality matters because impurities change effects. Once confirmed, measure an initial microdose of 2-3 drops to test tolerance. You reduce risk and learn sensitivity. Make a dilution. Add drops to 15-30 ml of water or 1/2 cup herbal tea in a glass container. Stirring disperses the tincture evenly. Make sure to label the bottle with dose date and strength so you can repeat safely. You now administer the tincture intentionally. Place the diluted dose under your tongue for 20-30 seconds or swallow with water 20-30 minutes before a meal to aid absorption. Once done, monitor and record your response. Mood, stress levels, sleep onset, digestion. Track daily for at least 7 days to detect trends. Make measured adjustments. Increase by 2-5 drops every 3-4 days only if no adverse effects occur. This gradual titration helps isolate benefits versus side effects. You finish by setting a consistent routine. Choose morning if you want subtle energy support, evening if it aids sleep, and stick to the same time so effects are predictable. Once stable, keep a maintenance dose that preserves benefits without escalation. If you experience nausea, dizziness, or insomnia, stop dosing for 48 hours and reassess at a lower dose. This pause reveals whether symptoms are tincture-related, and make sure to consult a clinician promptly for severe reactions or possible medication interactions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.